Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village. Today we're going to be cooking kielbasa stew. Alright, first we're going to start with kielbasa links, and we're going to need about 2 to 3 of them. Keep in mind in the store, each kielbasa is going to be about 1 pound. So you're going to need 2 to 3 pounds, 2 to 3 links. Alright, so we're going to just go ahead and throw those in there. Okay. Alright, next you're going to need potatoes chopped. You're probably going to need about 2, maybe 3 depending on your taste. We're going with 2 right here. Alright, an important note, to make sure the potatoes are done, we're going to go ahead and we have 1 inch, roughly 1 inch cuts. And when these are nice and tender, you know you're definitely done. Alright, next we're going with carrots. And you need probably 1, maybe 2, depending on your taste. It's not so much for nutritional value, it's more of just for extra flavor and a little bit better texture. Right? Next, you're going to want to take 12 ounces of your favorite beer. Keep in mind this is an adult dish that you're going to want to serve at football gatherings, tailgating, parties, things of that nature. All right, go ahead and throw that. We've used a Pilsner today. You can also use lager or an ale, depending on your taste. All right. And since tailgating, you can't have tailgating without something spicy, so we've gone with a little bit of basic cayenne pepper sauce. We've got about a 1/3 cup of that. Just get that in there real nice. All right, a little bit of mustard. Throw that in there. You're going to maybe want about a 1/4 cup of that. All right. And then, as always, salt and pepper to taste. Kosher salts. All right. And put that on there. Set it on low. Let cook for about 4 to 5 hours, and you're ready to serve.